And then I was like, catnip, more like catsip. So you've got yourself a 20-litre Status keg and you need to know how to connect it. Well, we're the men for you. So you're gonna wanna find yourself an ice bucket or a large container that contains ice. You're gonna wanna find yourself ice. The most important part is putting together your pump. I'm gonna do that. All right, you wanna put this on first. True fact, if you hold this to your ear, you can hear the ocean. It's a whale. First, you wanna connect the pump. You wanna do that here at the side. Excellent. Now we're going to connect the beer line. This is the important part, as it's where the beer comes from. So here in this tub we have some hot water that we prepared earlier. We're going to put the hose into the hot water as such. The plastic is now looser than it was, but still not loose enough. Wait a little bit longer. Let's try, shall we? It works. We're never getting that off. All right, now we're going to do that again on the other side.
Where's the little plastic bit, the little white bit that goes in the top?
If you've lost something during the setup, make sure to look around helplessly for it. I don't know where it's gone. So the next part is to connect where the hose fitting is going to connect onto the coupler here. So you'll see a little washer in here. Put the washer in first, I hope. And then we'll put this in here, screw down. You can see the screws here. Get out of the shot, Nakaya! No, it's not right. The washer must surely go on.
Oh yeah, okay.
You want it to look like this. Ah, Lockie, get it closer. Using the bracket here, you want to slide this on top of your keg, nice and chilled, and get ready to party. Click this down. I would like to take this moment to profusely apologize for the previous video. I don't want to point fingers, but I feel like society's to blame. So let's have a look at actually how to connect this. You have your keg here that would arrive hopefully in the post. What you want to do is try and get that as cold as possible without freezing. That's your challenge. So you have your coupler here with your line attached, all secure, and your tap at the end. You're going to have your coupler here in the unlocked position, your pump closed. Place it on top, slide it on, make sure it's on all the way, and then all you need to do is engage it. Try to keep the keg in some ice or in the fridge. You want to give it a few pumps just to make sure it has some pressure behind it. It's going to help it make it a lot easier to pour. And then, once you've done that, you're pretty much set up and ready to go. Ready for those Christmas lunches with the family, help you get through those chats with the in-laws, and you've got yourself a beautiful schooner that you can have at home. Perfect for Christmas parties or New Year's parties. Available now.